How to buy Solana on Coinbase. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to buy Solana on Coinbase. So in order to buy Solana on Coinbase, you need to follow the steps. First of all, you could create your account, or if you already have an account, you could just go ahead and log in to your account. So once logged in, it's going to directly take you to this page, which is going to look something like this. Next, what you need to do is here, you want to start trading. So on the website, you could click on buy and sell option, and on the mobile app, you could just simply click on the plus button. If you cannot find this plus button, it's going to be located right in center. And once you click on the plus button, next, you have to, from the list of available cryptos, select Solana. So at the search bar, you could type in SOL. And when you locate Solana, you click on it, and it's going to take you to the next field where you could go ahead and click on Buy Solana options. When you click on the buy option, next field, it's going to ask you to verify your identity first of all. If you've not, then you have to enter in the exact amount of Solana that you want to buy. Then you just need to go ahead and review the transaction details and preview the buy options. After reviewing, confirm your purchase by clicking buy now, and you will be directed to a confirmation screen once the order is processed. So that is how you could buy Solana and Coinbase. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.